Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun at the zoo today. Well, the white tigers are arriving first. Sarah's getting them into their enclosure. A single change in a pigment gene is responsible for the white tiger's snowy coat. The snakes are arriving. I really like this. It's a rattlesnake and it's flexible. And this is the yellow ball python. This snake bends on the underside where the dots are. See those two dots? The yellow ball python isn't a dangerous snake. These are frill-necked lizards. The frill-necked lizard is active during the day and basks in the sun in the morning and early afternoon. They are ambush predators and wait patiently and then surprise attack their victim. They spend most of their time on the trees. When it is faced with danger, the frill-necked lizard elevates its forelegs to appear bigger, unfolds and extends its frill, opens its yellow mouth and starts to hiss. If this fails, it'll run up a tree. The hippos have arrived. They're looking forward to a swim and to some food. The hippopotamus is an amphibious African ungulate mammal. Hippos are well adapted to aquatic life. The ears, eyes and nostrils are located high on the head so that the rest of the body may remain submerged. The ears and nostrils can be folded shut to keep the water out. When hippos sleep half submerged, it's called rafting. The water can get quite crowded at times. Time for a cool off. The long canines and incisors are used strictly as weapons. Grazing is done by grasping grass with the tough white lips and jerking the head. Rare battles may happen when strange bulls invade territories in the mating season. Most aggression is just noise, splash, bluff charges and a yawning display of the teeth. But opponents may engage in combat by slashing upward at each other's flanks with the lower incisors. The donkeys have arrived, the donkey foal and the adult. These are Provence donkeys and they have a cross on their back. See the black line that makes the cross? And the donkey foal. this is good. I've got dolphins, porpoises, and a beluga whale. This one here is the vaquita porpoise and the beluga whale. I can see they're hungry. I'm going to feed them first. Now it's time to feed the donkeys. I've got a nice bunch of red berries. I can see that's going to go down very quickly. The hippos really know how to enjoy themselves. The snakes have got some meat today. And the white tigers are always hungry. The lemur has decided to try and ride the fruit-necked lizard. What an exciting ride! Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like wild animals. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.